Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to short on Thinkorswim. Short selling is a strategy where you aim to profit from a stock's price falling. Essentially, you borrow shares from your broker, perhaps 100 shares, sell them at the current market price, and then buy them back later at a lower price to return them. The difference between your selling price and your buying price, minus any fees, is your profit. Thinkorswim offers a robust platform to help you identify potential short opportunities and execute these trades efficiently. Understanding the mechanics is key. First, you need to ensure that shares of the stock you want to short are available to borrow. Your broker, like TD Ameritrade through Thinkorswim, facilitates this. Once borrowed, say 100 shares, you immediately sell these shares on the open market. Your goal is for the stock price to drop. When it does, you buy back the same number of shares at the lower price, which is called covering your short position, and return them to the lender. This completes the cycle. Executing a short trade on Thinkorswim is straightforward. After selecting the stock, navigate to the order entry panel. Instead of buying, you will select the sell short option. Then, input the number of shares you wish to short, for example, 100 shares, and choose your order type, such as a market order or a limit order. Always double-check your order details before confirming. Once the order is placed, it is crucial to continuously monitor your position, as stock prices can move quickly in either direction. While potentially profitable, short selling involves significant risks. Unlike buying a stock, where your maximum loss is your initial investment, short selling carries theoretically unlimited risk if the stock price continues to rise. To mitigate this, always consider using stop-loss orders to automatically close your position if the price moves against you by a certain amount, perhaps $2 per share. Also, be mindful of margin requirements and the possibility of a margin call if your account equity falls below a certain threshold.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.